Now let's understand the scoring part for this challenge. So you will get 12 points for dropping the server object at the correct location, and again same 12 points for dropping the white cable at the correct location. So you will get 12 plus 12 for 2 server objects, 24, and then 12 plus 12 for 2 white cables. And if you are able to drop one black server object and one white cable at the correct locations in the Pacific, you will get 6 points extra. And same thing applies for Caribbean hub also. If you are able to drop the server object and the white cable at the correct connection slots, you will get 6 points extra. So again, total you will get 12 points extra if you are able to successfully drop at both the locations, the server object and the white cables. Then you will get 13 points to drop this broken wire in the recycling area, and you will get 11 points to activate the solar panel, each solar panel. So one solar panel you will get 11, and the other one also you will get 11, so total 22 points you will get for that. And if you're not moving this barrier out of this white area, you can move a bit, but it should not go out of the white area, then you will get 6 points for each barrier. So total you will get 6 plus 6, 12 points for both the barriers. And if you are able to solve everything and take this robot back to the start and finish area, then you will get 13 points extra. But you have to make sure that you get all the points except the bonus points. Except the bonus points, if you are able to get all other points, then only you will get the additional point for stopping in the finish area. And the scoring interpretation, where if you have any doubts, what happens if my server farm is fallen down like this but it is completely inside, what if it is touching the white area in the connection slot, or any other doubt if you have. So there are a lot of combinations given in the document which I have attached with the tutorial. You will also get this document at the WRO official website. So this is all about scoring details for this challenge. Thank you so much.